In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court on Tuesday prescribed guidelines for the governor within which he or she should decide on bills sent for approval by a state government. This judgment came in the case of a dispute between Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi and DMK-led state government over the former's failure to clear crucial state legislations. A bench led by Justice J.B. Pardiwala declared Ravi's prolonged inaction on 10 bills, with the oldest one pending since 2020, cleared by the legislature as erroneous and illegal. These bills were those in which the governor had withheld his consent when he got them for his approval in the first round. When the same bills were resent to Ravi after the state legislature reiterated on their reconsideration, the governor chose to refer them to the president. Declaring the entire exercise as unconstitutional, the top court ruled that governors are constitutionally bound to act expeditiously on bills and cannot withhold assent or reserve bills for the president's consideration after sending them back once. Since there was an undue delay on the governor's part to clear the bills and no bona fide reason was given to send them to the president, the top court, in an extraordinary direction, ordered that the bills would be deemed to have received the assent, and all consequential actions such as approval or rejection from the president too were set aside. The judgment will have a huge impact on the powers of a governor, particularly with regard to giving assent to state bills. It lays down strict deadlines for approving, rejecting, or referring the bills to the president. In case of non-compliance, the governor's inaction or undue delay in decision-making can be challenged in the court, which was not the case so far. The judgment also plugs a crucial loophole in the existing scheme of the Constitution relating to the governor's power to clear or reject the bills. In the absence of a specific time frame, governors in opposition rule states use the gap to sit over state bills for an indefinite period without returning them to the legislature. This had created an administrative paralysis in such states. Through its judgment, the Supreme Court has once again emphasized the constitutional obligation of a governor, which is not to become a roadblock in law-making machinery by attempting to circumvent elected state governments for political considerations, but to be a dispassionate guide and a catalyst.